What's up, everybody? I am playing Subway Surfers once again. My nana, messed up my video last time. So, let's play it once again. Let's do it. See how much my score is going up on? High, isn't it? So, what I was saying, leave in the comment below how much you hate Donald Trump. Everything that you hate about Donald Trump, almost everything. You don't gotta put every single thing. But almost everything you hate about Donald Trump, put it in the comment below. Can't believe this. Whatever kind of hair he got, won. Words just won't be the same when he leaves. But let's not talk about him right now. Let's play Subway Surfers. But seriously, put it in the comment below. I'm not joking. Put it in the comment below. But if y'all want to, that's fine too. Y'all have to put it in the comment below. Y'all don't really have to put it in the comment below, but y'all can if y'all want to. I don't really care. If you do want to, put it in the comment below. If you don't, just don't. Oh, that's a cool plane. Oh, yeah, I'm about to definitely get this. Yeah. Let's go. Hey, I have an idea, y'all. How about in the comment below, don't put nothing about Donald Trump. Just, like, if y'all want to, just put it on there tomorrow. Put in the comment below, what is your favorite game and superhero? Just put in the comment below. Put in the comment below, what's your favorite superhero or video game? Boom. I'm about to end this video, y'all, in probably 2 or 3 minutes. Letting y'all know early. I saw that coming, y'all. I saw that coming. I saw that coming. You know why I said that? It's not because I don't have no internet. That's not why I said that. It's because they tried to make me go on Facebook. That thing right there. That mean I don't have no internet. That just means that, they tried to put me on Facebook. I didn't want to go on Facebook, so. Huh. Uh-huh. Boom. I just tell y'all here, my favorite superhero is Spider-Man. I'm putting it out there, y'all. My favorite superhero is Spider-Man. So, oh yeah, I'm pretty sure I think I'm about to get a new high score on this. I think I'm about to get a new high score. Oh yeah. I bet when I'm done with this, I'm about to get a new high score. I bet y'all. I bet as soon as I'm done with this, I'm definitely about to get a new high score. Oh yeah, I'm about to get a new high score. Oh. See, I told y'all I was about to get a new high score, and I got a new high score. Yeah. So before I end this video, y'all, about to get him 3 keys. Thank you. So I'm about to end this video right here, you guys. And everybody who loves this video, slap that thumbs up button, man. Just slap that thumbs up button. And subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you guys in the next video play. My first video. Let me say it one more time. I will see you guys in the next video game. Peace.